Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Southtown Garage. My name is Kurt, and on today's episode, we're putting in an S&B intake system into our 2012 Jetta TDI Mark 6. I also want to give a special shout out to Rawtek Performance for helping me make this video. Places like Rawtek Performance that offer this kind of service to sell you a filter system like this and performance exhaust for your TDI, they are worthwhile, and I appreciate everything that they're doing to help me with this video series. So let's get into it.
Remove the vacuum hose from the stock intake. You'll want to remove the T40 Torx bolt on the other side of the airbox. Once that is removed, you'll have to remove the hose clamp with some pliers. Then with the T25 Torx, you can remove the two bolts in the OEM MAF sensor housing. Carefully try lifting the stock intake out, trying to snake it around the coolant hose, again being very careful. With a 7mm socket and ratchet, remove the intake hose at the turbo. You can install the new intake hose with a smaller boots and two smaller clamps provided in the kit. Install the rubber seal into the intake housing, followed by the base scoop, which you may need to adjust later. Install the two rubber grommets in the base of the airbox. I use the spacer to make sure the holes were oblong and make it easier for install later. Now if you already haven't done so, install the spacer. Install the inlet seal in the airbox. Install the intake tube number 1 with a barbed fitting into the airbox. I used pipe seal to make sure that there was no leaks. I also installed an air filter into the box, but you do not need to do that at this time. Next, install the airbox into the car and secure it down on the rubber grommets. Make sure the inlet seal of the airbox fits over the inlet of the rad support of the car where the factory intake cold air came from. Then bolt it down to the airbox with a supplied 6mm bolt and washer.
Found it.
After putting all the hoses in, you can tighten down the hoses with this 8mm socket, and once everything is where you like, including the filter, tighten it all down. Make sure to push the seal into the groove so it won't pop up. If you haven't already done so, plug in the vacuum line to the barb fitting on the new intake. Get ready to install the clear cover. This part may be satisfying as you remove the paper to reveal the fit and finish. Now you're done. Enjoy your hard work.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode of Southtown Garage. If you like this video, hit that like button. Consider subscribing and make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss any more content. If you want to let us know how you did, leave a comment right down in the description below. Also, if you're looking for this product because you want to install it in your vehicle, take a look at the link in the description. If you would like to know how much power this makes, take a look at this video over here. If you would like to see what's exactly in the box of your S&B filter, take a look at this unboxing over here. I hope you guys are having a great day. Take care, and we'll see you on another episode of Southtown Garage. Bye for now.